Hello guys, my name is Ryson and welcome back to my channel. And in this video, I will guide you through the art of using a loofah to enhance your skincare routine and to achieve a beautiful and radiant skin. Guys, loofah is a natural exfoliating tool that can help you achieve a spa-like experience in the comfort of your bathroom. But before getting into how to use it, let's talk about its benefits. Because if you don't know the benefits, you will say that why will I use it? So I will tell you 5 benefits of using a loofah first. So let's move on to the first benefit, guys. And the first benefit is it helps remove the dead skin from the surface of your skin. The dead skin which makes your skin look dull and rough. Regular use of loofah will promote smoother and brighter looking skin. And with that, let's move on to the next one. And the next one is it improves blood circulation in your skin. The gentle massage action can stimulate blood circulation in your skin, nourish skin cells, and promote a healthier radiant complexion. And with that, let's move on to the third advantage. Guys, it deep cleans your skin by reaching into your pores and removing the dirt, oil and impurities. So you can imagine how good is that. And with that, let's move on to the next point. Guys, when you use a loofah prior to using a skincare product like moisturizers or serums, your skin is better prepared to absorb all these products. So before applying any of these products, if you use a loofah, you can enhance the effects of the products that you use. And with that, let's move on to the fifth and the last point. Using a loofah can provide a soothing and relaxing experience. The scrubbing motion can help you reduce stress and promote a sense of well-being. So guys, now let's go to the bathroom and see how to use this loofah correctly.
Now this is the loofah that I ordered online, and all the loofahs that I will use in this video now, I will put a link of them in the description below. You can later go there and check them out. So the first thing that I will show you guys is if you are using a bath gel without a loofah. So I will take a little amount of bath gel in my hands and I will start to rub. And as you guys can see, no matter how much I rub, it will just not create the lather. So now I will rinse the bath gel and I will now use the loofah. So I will take a little amount of bath gel on my loofah and I will wet the loofah. I will scrub it a little bit just to create that lather, and now I will start to scrub my skin. So as you guys must have noticed that it has already started to create the lather.
As you guys can see the difference.
So now it's time to rinse the bath gel, and the next thing that I'm going to show you is how to use a loofah with a bar of soap. Here's my bar of soap. I will wet it first, then I will wet my loofah and I will start scrubbing the soap on the loofah till it creates nice lather. Once it creates nice lather, rinse your soap with water and keep it in place. Now put the shower off and start to scrub your skin. And as you guys can see, you can even use a bar of soap with a loofah. So scrub your skin nicely, and now I will rinse my skin. And the next thing what I'm going to show you is how to clean your loofah. As you guys can see, my loofah is full of soap. So what you'll have to do is keep the loofah under the shower like this and let it drain the soap. Then hold the loofah like this and swing it. Like this, all the soap and water which is there inside of the loofah will fall out. And as you guys can see, your loofah is nice and clean. Now you can hang it for drying. So the next thing that I will show you is how to scrub your back using your loofah, because your hands cannot reach there. So you even get loofahs with long handle like which I am holding here. The process is the same. Just wet the loofah first, then rub the bar of soap on the loofah so that it creates nice lather. Once it creates nice lather, turn the shower off. And because now you have a long handle, you can reach your back easily like this, and you can now easily scrub your back properly, which otherwise is a big problem. Now because you have this nice long handle loofah, you can finally clean your back with ease. You can reach in all the corners of your back, as you guys can see. So go and give your back a good scrub. Now to clean this loofah, it's very simple. Keep it under the shower like this to drain the soap. Then swing it so that all the soap water and water which is there inside the loofah will fall out. And there you have a clean loofah. Next thing is hang it for drying. And now you can rinse your back.
Now precaution guys, precaution. If you overdo anything, it will harm you. Doesn't matter what it is. So see that you don't over scrub and over exfoliate. Use only 2 to 3 times a week and clean your loofah every time you use it to maintain the hygiene. So guys, if you found this video useful, then see that you like and share with your friends and family. And if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, then see that you subscribe to my channel and press that bell icon so that you will not miss any of my future videos. Till then, this is Ryson Fernandes signing out. Until we meet again.